Hey, young world. So, I'm coming for a quick, short video on a product called Saker. All right, Saker is a mini chainsaw. Mini chainsaw will probably work good for me because I don't know how to work the big one, and I do have two different big ones. So I think this is really friendly. It does have a battery charger. I don't know if it'll be charged when I start it, so if it's not charged, I'll come back and do something when it's charged. So it's battery operated. Plug it in, battery 20-volt, oil, chain, screwdriver. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it together. All right? I'm going to let y'all know if it was easy. All right? It's well packaged. Bubble wrap. A little extra foam in case it gets tossed around. Screwdriver is there, so you don't have to run and go look for that. It's one big thing, and I just touched the blade right there through the plastic, and yes, it is sharp. Oh, look at it. Okay, all right. Well, what am I tightening up? Because it looked like it's already together. Let me see something. The dogs came back home. Well, one of the dogs came home. No, it normally take longer because Bear do all the work, I think. Okay. So I'm going to push this button in to let it know it starts. So it's a safety mechanism, so it will not start if the button is not pushed in. That's how my other ones work. So I'm assuming that. So let's see if it already comes charged. Whoa, she charged. So we might as well just go over there. All right, so you hold the button and you do that. All right, let me make sure you leave. Okay, this blocks wood from popping in your face. All right, let me get some safety goggles on because we can't be too sure. This is a tool to tighten up the blade as well, but I'm gonna say everything looks tight. But you know something, with my chainsaw, the chain always comes off and my husband have to retighten it. So these tools are for that. All right, it's ready to go as soon as you come to your house. So you ain't gotta wait for your husband. It's ready. Don't you hear it? Let me get some glasses, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, so this is my grapevine. Every year, branches grow up in this. So I do have my safety glasses on. It's just really some twigs. It's really not much, but they are growing from the ground. So I'm gonna hit the button. Oh yeah, it came up quicker than I thought it would. So I'm just cutting. Well, y'all, I'm whipping my face. Yeah, you want to test it out for me? So I can get you on camera versus me, because I don't whip my face. I got on glasses, but I whip my nose with these things. You try it out? It already was charged when it came. Let me show you again. I was thinking about trying to see, can it cut this thick one down? You want your glasses? You want safety glasses? You already been recorded for quality assurance. All right, so my husband gonna take a whip at it because it took a whip at me, and he's going up under there You like that? All right. He did a smaller branch. Let me turn the angle around so I can focus better. Wait a minute. Oh, it took the big chunk down.
Nice grip.
Oh, he said nice grip. Let me get that. Cleaned up those vines pretty good. Be careful. So just like a regular chainsaw, things could get jammed up in the blade, and he's just getting it out of the blade. We'll let y'all know how it performed after he cleaned it out. Now normally what he use it, undo it, and then get everything out of it. So let's see what we're gonna have to do with this. So they provided the blade for us, and you can see, just like any other equipment you might have used, things get caught up in the track. Just brush it off with his finger, put a little blow on it like a Nintendo cartridge, and secure it right back on there. That's simple as 1, 2, 3. Do you think you did enough to rate the video right now? Rate the chainsaw?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I ain't got it on your face. You can just, a scale of 1 to 10.
It's I'll give it a 8.
Okay.
Durable, I mean.
It's durable.
It feel like it's durable. It's light. Light handy. All I like it.
I like it too.
Something I'll buy.
Something you'll buy. Okay. All right. Well, y'all heard it from my husband, not from me. It's something that he'll buy. It's easier for me to use. I still would probably put on gloves and everything like that when handling this too, because I'm a female, and
it don't matter. You should wear them too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't even know you had cut that. So basically, we just cleaned up this grapevine. Here go a poke weed right here. You want to. A lot of vines. Just a little tap, because the blades are sharp. Cleaning up a little bit of vines on the grapevine. These trees grow right here by this bird nest, a bird house. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them all down right now. Should I hit it at an angle?
Grip it how you like it, grip it. You're a lefty.
So what? I gotta go here?
That's a right hand machine. Cause you gotta
timber.
You can't do that. So you gotta be able to push it with his hand and do it.
Got you.
But that's you left-handed, but it's a right-handed too. But then it's still not working right for you as it was if it's a right-handed person, because you got the right hand on it. This is a right-handed tool only. Left-handers can use it, but it's not good for It's a right-handed tool.
It's not made.
It's made for right-handers.
All right, so there you go. It's made for right-handers. You go right-handed and cut me.
You go fix.
You told me
you
said it was gonna hurt me.
Exactly. So why am I cutting?
Because you right-handed, I'm left-handed.
Okay.
All
Cut.
All right. So the battery is indicating red. That tells me that the mechanism battery is not fully charged. I'll come back and see do it turn green, and that can indicate whether it's charged all the way. I did not read any directions. I just know what I know. If it's not plugged in, it's all the way green. Once I plug it in, it is red. But of course, you can read the directions when you get yours. All right, so I was right about the green light. When it was plugged up, it was red, and it showed that it needed to be charged. Green means it's totally charged. Tia, can you tell Mister come get these sticks that I ain't gonna pick up? I just want to show y'all over here by the bird house that it was able to cut as thick as this, and that's pretty thick, wouldn't you say so? That's as far as we tested it out. All right, so I'm well, the boys are well, and I hope you well too. Bear, come. You want to get some rub time? You want to get some rub? You want to get some rub time? You want rub? You want me rub you? You want rub? You want? No, you don't.